how to zoom in or zoom out while taking a picture with the camera on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. So from the home screen, open up the camera app, then go to photo mode, and in here to zoom in or zoom out, you have two options or three options. Here we can pinch in or pinch out to zoom in or zoom out. Now the other option is to use the swipe gesture. So here at the bottom here, if you can swipe like this, swipe it to the left, this will automatically allow you to switches the camera while zooming as well. So here if you go all the way to 0.5, it will switches the lens to ultra wide. So this is the ultra wide lens, this is the main camera, and this is the telephoto when you are zooming in at 4x upwards. So here if I go to 0.5, it will go to ultra wide lens. This is the main lens. It will go switch over to the main lens. Here you can also tap on it to zoom a little bit further for 28 millimeter, 24 or 35. And here if we zoom into 4x like this, or 8x or 40x, it will automatically change it to your telephoto lens on the back. And that's it. That's how you can zoom in or zoom out while taking a picture. Now you can also use the camera control button. So if you swipe it, and then if I go down here and I switches to camera, so in here camera, and then I can use this button to zoom in or zoom out like that. So you can use the camera control button as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.